Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve video color problem in VLC Media Player. So click on Tools, then click on Effects and Filters. You can use this shortcut Control E. Now here click on Video Effects, then click on Colors, and if this box color extension is selected, so unselect, then click on Save and close it. So this way you can fix this error. Simple setting, Tools, press Ctrl E, Video Effects, and unselect this color extension, then save and close it and reopen your VLC Media Player. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.